Hello, I hope you and your families are doing well. The pandemic has been difficult for everyone. In higher education, we have faced a swift move to remote learning, limited opportunities for social interaction, and an untold impact upon the physical and mental well-being of many. Stress levels are high for students, faculty, and staff alike. Thankfully, there is light at the end of the tunnel. Health experts are projecting that by the time classes start this coming August, every American who wants to be vaccinated will have had the opportunity to do so. With that in mind, the leadership team at Butler University is preparing to restore our on-campus experience to normal beginning in the fall of the 21-22 academic year. We are well aware that the pandemic is not over, and the health and the safety of our campus community will remain our top priority. We will be prepared to pivot if the situation warrants, but we are cautiously optimistic that life on campus will look much different in fall 2021 than it has over the past year. We expect that many of our courses will be taught in the classroom and with a return to normal capacities. It is possible that masks will still be required and that a small number of courses will be taught remotely. But for the most part, classroom instruction will look much like it did prior to the beginning of the pandemic. Our plan is to return to our normal academic calendar for the fall 2021 semester. Classes will begin on August 25th with the customary breaks in October and over Thanksgiving, and with students returning to campus after a Thanksgiving break and through the end of finals week, December 13 to 17. Campus life is an important part of the residential college experience, and social activities are important to the overall well-being of everyone. Despite some challenges and adjustments over the past year, I am proud that Butler University has been a leader in higher education when it comes to providing opportunities for student engagement during the pandemic. We have allowed fans in limited capacity at basketball games, hosted live theater events in Clues Hall, maintained student access to on-campus health and recreation facilities, and organized safe activities for the entire student body. We envision an even more vibrant campus experience this fall. To reach our goal of returning to a more normal campus life, we all must continue to do our part. Please continue to wear your mask and maintain appropriate social distance for the next couple of months. Complete your daily health survey honestly and schedule appointments to be tested on campus every 3 weeks. And if you get vaccinated, please send a copy of your immunization record to Health Services. Thanks for all you are doing to help mitigate the spread of COVID-19 on our campus. I appreciate the sacrifices you have all made.